Hey guys, welcome to the Digera.com YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make $1,000 month by filling out the surveys. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And if it is the first time you are visiting our channel and if you are interested in topics like how to make money online, self-development, motivation, get started by subscribing to our channel and turn the post notification on so you get notified whenever the new video is released. So with that being said, let's start the video. In this video, I'll be showing you about a paid survey site which is paidviewpoint.com. You can start right now. There will be a link available in the top of the description. You can click there and you can sign up right away. Here I won't be showing how to sign up because all you need is an email address and you need a PayPal account. Here PayPal is used to receive a payment, so you need a PayPal account. So you can pause this video right now and you can sign up. So I hope you have signed up for this account. Here you can see I just signed up for my account and I have a 94 cents. Here you can see earn 14.06 more to be able to cash out. In this site guys, the minimum payout is $15, so I need another $14.06. You may be wondering how you can make $1,000 per month if it is paying like 94 cents and all. So for that there is a trick guys. Here you can see it says your trade score. This trade score indicates the honesty in my survey. So I just signed up for this site and I have completed only 2 surveys. So my trade score is still 706. Wait, I will show you. See, here you can see your goal is to achieve a trade score of 9,000 or better. That will place you in the top 10% of PV, that is paid viewpoint members, and means you will earn more for each answer. So guys, the more the trade score, more surveys you are going to get. So eventually you are going to make more money, and when you reach the 9,000 trade score, you will be awarded with a high paying surveys and more number of surveys. The high paying surveys such as $2, $5, even sometimes $10 per survey. Even if you get like 2 high paying surveys per day, consider you get a 2 surveys which pays $5. So with that you can make a $10. For 30 days you will be having a $300. So here you can ask me. I have mentioned in the starting that you can earn $1,000 per month, but here is another suggestion for you guys, another trick for you to make $1,000 with survey. So even if you consider you will make around $200 to $300 per month with this site, if you sign up for the another 5 to 6 sites, so even if you make $200 per site, you can reach $1,000 per month. So for that, if you want more legitly high paying survey site, the real legit sites which pays you a real money, I'm not talking about the any scam site. For that I have made another, there will be a link in the description where I will link to a playlist where I have made other videos on survey site, so you can watch another other videos there. So you can sign up there too, so you can reach $1,000 per month. Even if you want to make, and if you are interested to make a living by survey site, and there is a surprise for you guys. I want to show you a secret way with which you can make $3,000 to $5,000 by filling out the survey, even $10,000 too, depending on your honesty of surveys. And if you want to learn about how to make $5,000 or even $10,000 per month with survey site, I will be providing a link in the description from where you can get started. When you click on that link, it will take you to a course where you can learn about more sites which pays you a lot of money, which provides you a high paying surveys, how to make $5,000 per month or make $5,000 per month by filling out this survey. So I will link that in the description where you can learn about the high paying sites and how to make and how to fill out the surveys. So you can get started now guys. I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. What do you think? What do you want? If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you guys.